You are most welcome to your favorite tree program, Learn Tree with Opoku. I'm still on the journey of dealing with the questions from you, my favorite followers. A question came from a follower, and he is asking, what is the difference between Kwan and Bata? Kwan and Bata. Well, to begin with, Kwan means to travel or to make a journey. The intent of such a journey varies from visiting someone, living temporarily, or to return in a day or two. Bata, on the other hand, means to travel or to make a journey with the sole aim of what? Seeking greener pastures. Usually, it takes a longer time for the person to return. In order to get a clearer understanding of these two phrases, let us try to state some of the uses of Kwan and Bata. One, we can say, Metu Kwan ako Kumasi. Metu Kwan ako Kumasi. In this case, I mean, I'll travel to Kumasi. Metu Kwan ako Kumasi. I'll travel to Kumasi, and probably I may not stay there for long. I may go there and return the same day, or for a week or some months, and then I'll come back. We can also say, Watu Kwan Konkran. Watu Kwan Konkran. That means he's traveled to Accra. The tree name for Accra is what? Nkran. So that is why you see Nkran in place of what? Accra. But you can also say, Watu Kwan Kwakra is also okay. Let's see some of the examples of the uses of Bata. I can say, Metu Bata ako abrochire. Metu Bata ako abrochire, meaning I will travel abroad for greener pastures. We can also say, Watu Bata ko abrochire. Watu Bata ko abrochire, which means he's traveled abroad for greener pastures. He's traveled abroad for greener pastures. I can also say, Metu Kwan ako abrochire ako di Bata. Metu Kwan ako abrochire ako di Bata, meaning I will travel abroad in search for greener pastures. Still on Bata, I can say, Yebaha se yebedi Bata. Yebaha se yebedi Bata. We came here in search for greener pastures. Normally we say this when a brother or a sister or a friend in a foreign land is trying to misbehave. Then we tell him in order to remind him to know why he is here. You can also say, Mebano batediemu. That means I came purposely to seek for greener pastures. We normally say this when a friend or someone is trying to divert our attention. Then we tell the person to remind him, my friend, Mebano batediemu. I didn't come here to be going to parties, funerals, or whatever. Mebano batediemu. I came here purposely to work. Well, probably you might have heard that I've been using abrochire. Well, that word abrochire consists of two words. And the first is what? Abore, which refers to what? The horizon. The horizon, abore. And then echire, which means what? Behind. Behind. So literally, we are saying behind the horizon. Behind the horizon. It is believed that when one wants to go abroad, the person goes beyond the horizon. So that is why abroad is referred to as what? Abrochire. That is abore echi. Abore echi, behind the horizon. And then it became abrochire. And that is why people who live there, people who live abroad, or people who come from abroad, they are known as abrofo. So when we say abrofo, it refers to what? The white man. As it is known, the white man was seen in the shores of Africa coming from behind the horizon. The horizon. So people coming from the horizon. In Twi, we call them abrofo. Abrofo. So literally, we are calling them, if I had my way, the horizoners. That is what? Aborefo then became what? Abrofo, abrofo, abrofo. People from the horizon. Aborefo, abrofo, abrofo, abrofo. That was just a tip. Thanks for listening. And I'll be very glad if you could share my videos on all your social media handles.